Wow, did Oris just break the watchmaking industry? Let's find out. Roll the intro. What's up everyone, it's Chris with a Little Treasury channel. Welcome back. This is where we bring you awesome watch content at least once a week. And if you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get alerted as soon as we upload. I'm from Little Treasury Jewelers, which is located in Gambrills, Maryland, and it's where you go when you're in the know. The watches that I review are for sale and can be purchased, so please see the description below to contact us. In our last video, we reviewed the Grand Seiko SLGH003 and SPGR 321, so please make sure that you check it out if you haven't seen it already, especially if you're interested in a Grand Seiko with the new 9S-A5 movement in it, which is high beat and very awesome. Today is a glorious day for Oris, where I can finally tell you about the first vessel to house the new Calibre 400. If you haven't heard, the Calibre 400 is a shocking, game-changing movement, which I will detail for you later in the video. The first watch to house the Calibre 400 is called the Aquis Date Calibre 400, but let's just call it the Mega Aquis. Let's get on to the video. Here it is everyone, the Mega Aquis. It looks like an Aquis because that's exactly what it is, but it is also so much more. If you aren't familiar with the Aquis line, it's Oris's dive watch series, and it is known for the great value that you get with the sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel, symmetrical date at the 6 on most models, and a Salida movement in the low 2000 price range. The Mega Aquis takes what you love and crams one of the most high-tech new movements out there inside. And wait until you hear what these go for. Let's get on to the features. The case has a 43.5mm width, 13.9mm thickness, and 50mm lug-to-lug, with a screw-down crown at the 3 position. The bezel is ceramic and in an Aegean blue tone, which turns unidirectionally. So let's give it a click test and see how it sounds. This one has precise and strong clicks. It's a pleasure to turn, and I'd say it's one of the most satisfying bezels out there. The case is matte finished on the sides and has a small area of matte and larger area of high polish on the lugs. The dial is in a gradient blue, which radiates from a lighter area in the center to a darker blue at the edges. The markers are finished in high polish and have a stripe of lume in the center of each. The hands are a variant of the Pointex style with angular but not sharp tips and a split in the hour lume. Aquis, pressure resistant, 30 bar, 300M, and 5 days can be seen on the lower midsection. The date is at the 6 and has a black background that blends in with the dial well. Lume can be found on all 3 hands, the indices, and the pip on the bezel. A fun feature is, since the date window is at the 6, Oris has given us a round pip as a lumed marker, which you probably wouldn't even notice with the lights on. The case back is open and shows off Oris's brand new Calibre 400, which is the star of the show. The Calibre 400 is quite the looker, and some people have said that it resembles the Oris Bear if you look closely while it is in a certain rotor position. The Calibre 400 is a 120-hour power reserve, 28,800 beat per hour, accurate to within losing 3 and gaining 5 seconds a day caliber, which has a 10-year service interval because of the low friction and efficient design, and comes with an insane 10-year warranty. It is highly anti-magnetic, up to 2,250 Gauss. A Tesla electric car, for example, only generates 0.14 Gauss, so it's pretty anti-magnetic. The Calibre 400 uses dual barrels, so it will be accurate down to the last moment of its 5 days of power. Another new feature that Oris has added is the quick release for the bracelet that comes with the steel and rubber options. The steel bracelet is a 3-link design with the high polish on the outer links and a matte finish in the center. It has a micro adjust on the buckle. The Mega Aquis is 300-meter water resistant and can be yours for an extremely, shockingly wonderful $3,500 on bracelet and $3,300 on rubber? Now for my humble opinion. This is a game changer. The Calibre 400 does exactly what Oris has been doing, which is give you the awesome features that you want for a great price. This is always how I have viewed Oris, and this seems natural to me for them. But this movement is just unlike anything on the market, even close to this price point. I love the color choice on this, which feels very modern, and the 43.5mm Aquis is really a great proportion for an Aquis, which wears smaller than it says and looks great on my 6.5-inch wrist. The addition of the quick release on the bracelet is a huge feature, since people have had to buy an extra proprietary triple screwdriver in the past to change the Aquis straps. But now you can do it without any tools. I'm sure the Aquis will have more strap options in the future as well. The 10-year service interval and 10-year warranty is totally insane. And again, I can't believe that this is really a $3,500 watch. Just looking into the case back and seeing the new movement makes the watch feel special. I'm a big fan of this, and I have to recommend this to anyone who would ever wear a dive watch, period. I also have to say that I'm excited for all of the other watches that we'll see in the future with this new movement. Oris is now on a whole new level, and other brands should really be put on notice. Thanks for watching today, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and of course, share this with your friends. We look forward to seeing you next video.